Hey, what's up YouTube? I'm Zeke and welcome to the Dream Green Show. In this episode, I'm going to show you how much I made in dividends in the month of October. I've been growing my dividend account slowly over the last 2 years and it's finally starting to pay off to where I can see the snowball effect take place. I'm getting more and more dividends every single month, and this month is one of my best months ever. I got paid out from a total of 9 companies. I'm going to go over each 9 of those companies to show you exactly how much they paid me and why I'm investing into these companies. So each month when I get paid out in dividends, I reinvest those dividends right back into different companies inside of my portfolio. My portfolio has been growing slowly over time and it's starting to pick up. So hopefully my dividends will start to pick up even faster over time. But before we dive into it, this video is brought to you by Webull. Sign up now by clicking the link down in the description, deposit $100 and receive 3 free stocks valued up to $1,600. I think the first stock is valued up to $250 and the other 2 stocks are valued up to $1,600. So you can literally make an account today, deposit $100 and receive more this month than I received in growing my dividend portfolio over the last 2 years. You can receive that just by signing up for Webull, depositing $100 and receiving 3 free stocks. When I signed up for Webull, I only got 1 free stock. So they running a great promotion right now. You can receive 3 free stocks just by depositing $100. And you can make more than I made this month in dividends that I've been growing for the last 2 years. You can make that in this upcoming week. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull up my account that I've been tracking, show you guys my portfolio over the last couple of months, and then I'm gonna go over each stock that paid me out this month. It was 9 stocks and show you how much exactly I've been paid. But enough talking, let's go ahead and dive straight into the video. Wait, before we dive into the intro, make sure that you guys hit the thumbs up button. It really helps out this channel more than you can even imagine just by smashing the thumbs up button. And also subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any future videos. Make sure you watch to the end of this video to help out the YouTube algorithm. But let's go ahead and dive straight into the video. Welcome back, dreamers. Here we are on one of the trackers that I use to track my portfolio that I created. So this is my portfolio back in 2018. I had $4,039.27 and I had an actual dividend income of $1.24 that month. I've been keeping track of my portfolio, so let's take a look at the last 3 months. All the way back in August, my account was at $28,532 and I had a dividend income of $42.63. In September, my account was at $29,301.32 and I had a dividend income of $34.71. And in October, my account ended at $30,250.56 and I had a dividend income of $52.78. So you can see that my account is growing slowly over time. And if we look right here, this is showing my average dividend income and it's projecting what I'm going to make in the future. So you can see I'm gonna have my first $1,000 month if I keep on this pace of just reinvesting my dividends. Sometime in December 2021, so almost a year from now, well, pretty much a year from now, I'll be making $1,000 a year, $84 a month. So this is the compound effect taking place to where eventually later down the line, 4 years from now, I'll be making $250-ish a month, $2,811 a year. But at the rate I've been growing my dividend account, is going to increase a lot more than that. This is not showing the compound effect. This is just showing the average, but yes. All right, so if we scroll over, this is my average monthly income. As you guys can see, my best month ever was $69.11. And then of course the crash that happened because of the that came in 2020 that pretty much messed up everybody year. But I was consistently growing my dividend account right here. I had one that paid out quarterly, which is NRZ, that brought me a lot of dividends every 3 months. But if we take a look at my actual monthly income, this is the same thing of my dividend income. I was on a steady incline going up, but now this was when the news had came out and a lot of companies had cut their dividends or reduced their dividends, so it had fell all the way back down to $20.09. But now in October, I'm at $52.78. And last October, I was at $48.32. So I am seeing growth month over month. This was This was before the news had came out, and this is after the news had came out. So we're still trying to recover from all of the stuff that's going on around the world. But let me go ahead and pull up my Robinhood portfolio to show you guys exactly how much I got paid out from each company this month. Here we are, dreamers. This is my Robinhood portfolio. I am ending the month at $30,250.56. If we take a look at the month, just know that every week leading up to the election week, the stock market is the most volatile it'll ever be for the entire 4 years leading up into the election. So this week has been an insane week leading up to the election in November. So the stock market has been very volatile. So if we take a look at my month, I am down $1,572.28. I am down 4.94%, almost 5% on the month. So yes, I did not have the most growth this month due to the last couple of weeks leading up to the election. It's been going up, it's been going down, and unfortunately I wasn't able to catch the swings on the way down and pick up a lot of shares while the stock market was low. So hopefully it'll recover next month and everything will smooth back out after the election. But yeah, so the highest it had been that month was up to $33,258.15, up $1,435. So at one point I was up 4.5%. But yeah, unfortunately, over the last couple of weeks, it's been going down. So now I'm down 5%. So that is the stock market for you guys. It's going to have its ups. It's going to have its downs. It's like a roller coaster. So let's enjoy it on the way up for if we start screaming on the way down. But let's go ahead and dive into my dividend payments. Here we are. All right, so the first company that paid me out was CocaCola, ticker symbol KO. CocaCola, I own a total of 6 shares, which pays out 41 cents per share. So I got paid out $2.46. If we take a look at CocaCola, it is at $48.05. I own around $288 worth of Coca-Cola, and I'm currently down $30.34. So Coca-Cola didn't have the best month. They are down 2.48% on the month. So maybe I'll pick up another share of Coca-Cola while it's undervalued, and I'll get it while it's on sale, because Coca-Cola does pay me out a sweet dividend of 3.39%. So that's going to bring my total to $2.46. The next company is Vanguard SP 500 ETF, which is VOO, ticker symbol VOO. They paid me out a total of $1.31 per share, so they paid me out $1.32. I own a little over 1 share, 1.01 shares, and I'm up $31.62, up 11%. Also, over the month, they have not been doing the best. They are actually down 1.97%. And if we scroll down, VOO pays out 1.76%. But if we look at the 5-year mark, VOO is very consistent. It is a very boring company. It's just gonna have a steady incline every single year. It's not gonna jump up super high. It's not gonna jump down super low. But if you consistently invest into this ETF, you are almost guaranteed to make money over the long run. Well, you know, about 99.9% to make money over the long run by investing into VOO. So that's going to bring my total to $3.78. The next company is AGNC. This is a real estate REIT. At the time, I owned 100 shares, which pays out 12 cents per share, so I got paid out $12. If we look at AGNC, over the last month, they are down 0.29%, so they did not perform the worst. They did not perform the best. I am currently down $24.97, and I own around $1,393 worth of AGNC. Now, this company has a very large dividend yield. It's actually double digits. It is 11.91% dividend yield. So this company is a real estate REIT that pay me out every single month. And right now I'm making around $12 a month from AGNC. So I'm almost at the point to where they're paying me enough to buy a full share of them back. Right now, AGNC is at $13.93. So if I continue to reinvest into AGNC, eventually they're going to be paying me enough to get a free share from them. So that's why I'm going to continue to invest into this real estate company. And that's going to bring my total to $15.78. The next one is ticker symbol O, Realty Income. I own 7 shares and they paid me out 23 cents per share, so a total of $1.64. If we take a look at Realty Income, they had a very bad month. They're down 5.69%, and I'm down $44.84 on Realty Income. This is another real estate REIT that pays out monthly, and they have a dividend yield of 4.75%. This is the monthly real estate income that a lot of YouTubers, a lot of investors invest in because it's such a reliable company. You know what you're gonna get from realty income, you know what they're investing in. Just unfortunately, at the time of a lot of uncertainty in America, this company did not perform that great this month. But I'm going to continue to invest into ticker symbol O until I eventually own around 50 shares of this company so I can have a consistent monthly income from this company. And that's going to bring my total to $17.42. The next one is IIPR. I'm going to blaze through this one because last time I talked about it on YouTube, they kind of like flagged my content. So I own 1.2 shares of this one. I got paid out $1.45. If we scroll down, they also didn't have the best month. They're down 7%. I'm currently up $45.42, up 45% on this company, and they have a dividend yield of 3.53%. That's all I'm gonna say. So that's gonna bring my total to $18.82. The next one is PSEC. You guys probably know about this one, Prospect Capital. I own a total of 6 shares at the time. They pay out 6 cents per share, so I got paid out 36 cents. I now own 7 shares, so I did reinvest back into this company. I'm up $23.92. I know it says I'm up 218%, but I believe I had got a free share from Robinhood from someone signing up using my link down in the description. So that brought my average cost down, but this company pays out 14.37%. This is another double-digit dividend company, PSEC. So that's gonna bring my total to $19.23. The next one is NRZ, New Residential Investments. This is the big one right here that makes up a lump sum of my dividend income from this month. At the time, I owned 170 shares, which pays out 15 cents per share. So I got paid out $25.50. That is amazing. If we take a look at NRZ, they also didn't have the best month. They are down 4.8%. They was doing good until this last little weekend. This last week leading up to election, I was actually up 10%, but they did take a drop. And then I'm down 37% on this company. So that is something to think about. I do believe they're eventually going to recover 3 to maybe 2 to 3 to 4 years down the line. So hopefully I'm picking it up at a great grab at $7.54. I now own $178 of NRZ, and they pay out a dividend of 15.15%. Now, they're not a small company. They have a market cap of $3.12 billion, and they pay out quarterly, so every 3 months. So this is why every 3 months I have a large dividend income because of NRZ. So that's gonna bring my total to $44.73. The next one is SPHD, S&P 500 high dividend, low volatile ETF. I own 30 shares of SPHD. They pay out 14 cents per share, and I got paid out $4.42. If we take a look at SPHD, they're also down 1.24% this month. Once again, they was up 4.5%, but now they're down 1.24% leading up into the election. I am down 19% on this company, so it's not performing the best, and I have a dividend yield of 5.66%. I actually switched up my investing strategy from SPHD, and I started to reinvest my dividends from that company back into the next company that I'm going to show you guys. But with SPHD, that's going to bring my total to $49.15. So with the money I make from SPHD, I invest into this last dividend company, PEY. I own a total of 60 shares of PEY. They paid me out 6 cents per share, and I got paid out a total of $3.63. If we take a look at PEY, I now own 67 shares of PEY, and over the last month, they're up 3.35%, and I am currently down just 1.1% on PEY. So I'm eventually going to get PEY to 100 shares. I'm building it up slowly over time, but I'm going to eventually get to 100 shares of PEY, and they pay out a dividend yield of 5.14%. So that's going to bring my total to $52.78, my best month ever. So there we go, guys. That is my dividend income, $52.78. I love that I'm seeing it grow slowly over time. I can't wait till I hit my first $100 month. I got paid out from 9 different companies this month. Let me know down in the description how many companies paid you out this month if you are a dividend investor. We don't need to know how much you made because they'll just be bragging down there. I know some of you guys got 6-figure portfolios. Just let me know, hey, one company paid me out, 13, 14, 15 companies paid me out this month. Let me know down in the description how many companies paid you out in the month of October. If you guys stuck to the end of this video, make sure that you hit the thumbs up button. It really helps out this channel more than you can even imagine. I really appreciate it. And also subscribe so you don't miss out for any future videos. But other than that, I'm Zeke, bringing you the Dream Green Show, and I'm out. Peace.